Hello friends, welcome to Physics Week English class. Today we are reading about Bapu, the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. A short biography type. Today's session will be a motivational life story of Mahatma Gandhi, a inspiring, life-changing session of Mahatma Gandhi. Let's start it. As you know all about the father of nation, we all called him Bapu from love. At first, short introduction of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born at Porbandar in Gujarat on 2nd October 1869. His father, Karamchand Uttamchand, was a Diwan of Porbandar and his mother, Putlibai, was belonged to Junagadh. And Mahatma Gandhi was married at the age of 13 with Kasturba Bai. When Kasturba Bai was 14 years old and Mahatma Gandhi was 13 years old. 1 year is bigger than Mahatma Gandhi, Kasturba Bai. And Mahatma Gandhi's four sons, Harilal, Manilal, Ramdas and Devdas. And his primary education was done at Rajkot. After that, he went to Alfred High School at Rajkot for further study. Now, after that, he was preparing for law studies. So he went to London in England to complete complete his law studies, and he returned. He went there in England 1890, and he returned from England 1891. 1892, sorry, it's 83 from 1890. 5 to 7 years he stayed in England and returned from England 1891. After that, Gandhi tried to practice in Rajkot and Bombay as a lawyer, but he did not get success at practicing Rajkot and Bombay. His first failure as a lawyer in Rajkot and Bombay. Now a turning point of his life and Indian history and world history create there. A Gujarati merchant friend of Mahatma Gandhi came to Gandhi and said to fight a case for him in South Africa. Sheikh Abdullah, Dada Abdullah Khan, he lived at South Africa. So Gandhi agreed to fight his case at South Africa. So Gandhi went 1893. Gandhi returned from London 1891, and after 2 years practicing at Rajkot and Bombay 1893 he went South Africa to fight his case of his friend Gujarati merchant. Now it's a journey to become Bapu, the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. During the journey of South Africa, 5 to 10 years, his life changing years. He went to Natal. Natal is a city of South Africa for a case of his friend Dada Abdullah, Gujarati merchant. Gandhi, he faced their discrimination and apartheid during his journey from Durban to Pretoria. When he was going to South Africa, so he was traveling by train from Durban to Pretoria. There he faced racial discrimination, apartheid during his journey. There a famous incident happened. There a famous incident happened when some white people threw out him from first class apartment at Peter Maritzburg railway station, Durban to Pretoria. He was traveling by train, Durban to Pretoria. There is a railway station, Peter Maritzburg, between two stations. Here, some white people threw out Gandhiji from first class apartment. This is first class apartment and black do not allow to sit here. Only white people can sit here. Their famous incident, neck tie and belt tie. Firstly, the white people said to Gandhi, Gandhi wore a dhoti, indicating that dhoti. A white people said and asked her, "What is this?" Guessing dhoti and what is this? Saying this, Gandhiji replied, catching tie of white people. Gandhi caught the tie of white people and Gandhi asked him, what is this? Firstly, at white people asked Gandhi, catching dhoti, what is this? Then reply Gandhi asked, what is this? Catching tie of white people. Then white people answered that this is necktie. This is necktie. Then Gandhi replied, this is belt tie. White people replied that this is necktie. And Gandhi replied that this is belt tie. This famous incident happened in the train at the railway station Peter Maritzburg. When he reached Johannesburg, after that he reached Johannesburg. Johannesburg is the big city of South Africa. He was recruited for rooms in hotels. There also he faced discrimination. When hotel manager refused to stay Gandhi, there was no room. Now Gandhi decided. Now Gandhi got insulted and Gandhi felt insulted. So he decided to stay there in South Africa to organize the Indian workers. What there many Indians lived in South Africa to work. There were many Indian workers who worked in factories, offices, etc. So Gandhi decided to stay in South Africa to organize the Indian workers to fight for their rights. Because not only Gandhi, because not only Gandhi but also many Indian workers they worked there and faced the apartheid discrimination racist during time. So Gandhi decided to stay there in South Africa to organize the Indian workers to fight for their rights. He stayed there till 1914. Gandhi stayed there till 1914. There, Gandhi started some ashrams and newspapers. He set up Natal Indian Congress in 1894. Gandhi came to South Africa in 1893 and after 1 year he set up Natal Indian Congress in 1894 and he started a weekly newspaper Indian Opinion in 1903. After 1894 he started a weekly newspaper named Indian Opinion in 1903. He established Phoenix Ashram in 1904. After 1903, He started a weekly newspaper, Indian Opinion, in 1903, and he established Phoenix Ashram in 1894. There he worked for Indian migration restrictions in Phoenix Ashram. He established Tolstoy Farm in 1910. He worked as a volunteer to run an ambulance for wounded soldiers British during Boer War.